or welcome back to ResilientCurlz. In today's video, I will show you a quick, easy, and inexpensive protective style. All products used will be linked below in the description box. Automatically give this video a thumbs up for the beautiful model in today's video, my mother. Starting off by moisturizing her hair and molding it into shape. For the hair, I'm using Wand Curl Braid by Spritz in the style Ample Curl in color 1. Once her hair is in a high bun, I'm going to grab a piece of the synthetic hair and split it in half. Using the crochet hook, I'm going to insert it, while open, through her natural hair, grab the looped synthetic hair with the crochet hook and pulling one end of the synthetic hair through. Then, I'll pull both ends, securing the hair in place. So if you didn't get it, here's a close-up. Feel free to pause and rewind this part. Here we go, just watch. Now I'm just making a cute bun on the top of her head. We can leave the style like this, but she wanted a bang. Now I'm applying the synthetic hair at the base of her new bun using the same crochet technique. Insert open crochet hook, attach it to loop synthetic hair, close crochet hook, pull loop through, remove crochet hook and pull the ends of the synthetic hair to secure it in place. Now we have a full bang. Now cut it to your taste. I decided to cut it to frame her face, as you can see here.
Okay, my hair's up pretty, lovely.
And here's the finished product. I think she likes it. What do you think? And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know, would you consider trying this style out? Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.